Hi friends. So good morning. So today we discuss the OOPS concept in the Java. Okay. So what is the OOPS concept? OOPS is nothing but the object-oriented programming system, and it is a what to say concept which are the which are used for uh, foundation of the language. Okay. And what do you say? Its concept. It is using for the code management, like what do you say, into the what do you say, code reusable or maintainable, or what do you say, and modular. Some pieces we can return the code and reuse it. So it is maintainable our scripts, and using with the objects and classes. Okay. So we discuss in this video about the classes and objects. Okay. So, what is the before that I am telling you which concepts are coming in the OOPS concept, like classes, class, object, abstraction, encapsulation, and inheritance, and polymorphism. So these concepts are coming in the OOPS concept, and we will discuss like what is meant by class and object. Okay. So what is the class? Class is nothing but the collection. It is used collection variables and methods. I mean, it defines the behavior and attribute of the uh, code. Okay, so it's a logical entity. It is nothing. It is not a real-time entity or real entity, and it cannot occupy the space in the memory. Okay, this is the main points in the classes. Okay, and whereas class is nothing but the blueprint. Okay, sorry, class is nothing but the blueprint, and also it is just body. Okay, and it is used to collect the variables and methods. It means attribute and behavior. Okay, and whereas when we discuss about the objects, so objects is a real-time entity, and it occupies some spaces in the memory. And object, it is used to in the instance of a class. Okay, object is nothing but the instance of a class. So I'm telling you one of the example of the what do you say, classes and object. For example, animal. Animal is just a class. Okay, and in animal there is a different type of animals, like suppose cat or dog, or what do you say, tiger or lion, elephant. So these are the objects. Okay, and animal is a class. This is the example, real-time example of the classes and objects. Okay, so are you getting my point? Okay, object is nothing but the real-time entity, and it is an instance of a class. Okay, and thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to watching the more videos like on the software testing or Java or Selenium or TestNG. So stay curious and stay positive. We will see in next video. Thank you.